Quality cropland, ranch home, pole barn, woods, pond, this northern Indiana property has something for everyone. Metzger Property Services presents these 37 acres in Fulton County, selling at auction October 24th. In the peaceful countryside of Newcastle Township, Fulton County, Indiana, these 37 acres are just over 7 miles northeast of Rochester at 6950 East 700 North. Property will be offered in 4 individual TRACTS combinations and the entirety. Tract 1 is 2.5 acres and features a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom ranch home with an open concept layout, a country home ideal for families or anyone seeking a peaceful lifestyle. The home is complete with 2-car attached garage, plus Tract 1 includes a 64x40 pole barn, well suited for storage or workshop. Tract 2 and Tract 3 are each quality cropland with a soil index of 136 and a current cash rent at the rate of $170 per acre. Tract 2 is 5 acres, while Tract 3 is 17 acres in size. Tract 4 is 12.5 acres of potential with recreational woods and a pond. Tract 4 is sure to attract nature lovers and those looking for a magnificent building site. Metzger Property Services invites you to see this opportunity firsthand at the open house Monday afternoon, October 21st from 5:30 to 6 o'clock. Home, farmland, outdoor recreation, home sites, these 37 acres in Fulton County, Indiana will sell at live auction Thursday evening, October 24th at 6:30. Auction will be held on site with online bidding available through the Metzger Property Services website. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.